Most security programs were built for a world where data lived in a few well-defined places. File servers, a handful of databases, and maybe a couple of cloud repositories. But today, data is everywhere, and it's constantly moving. It gets copied, pasted, and transformed. It flows across SaaS apps, collaboration tools, IaaS and PaaS environments, on-prem systems, and now into and out of generative AI. Usually, that's with very little visibility. And that makes some very basic questions surprisingly hard to answer. Where is our sensitive data? How did it get there? Who's actually using it? And where is it going? What I'm going to show you is how Cyberhaven addresses these challenges with a unified data security platform, built entirely in-house, designed around a concept that we've used for years. Cyberhaven acts as a flight recorder for your data, continuously capturing activity, stitching together lineage across files and fragments of data. Everything starts with discovery, but discovery has to mean more than scanning snapshots of your data at rest a few times a year. With Cyberhaven, we continuously discover and classify your data at rest, in motion, and in use, in near real time, across your endpoints, cloud and SaaS applications, IaaS and PaaS environments, and on-prem systems, where data still lives for many enterprises. We of course support traditional content inspection techniques, things like regular expression patterns, dictionaries, and exact data matching, but we take classification a few steps further. Cyberhaven uses AI-based content understanding to extract the actual meaning of your data. Instead of asking, did this match a pattern? We ask, what is this data? And while Cyberhaven offers a robust and growing library of predefined classifiers, we know data security truly is not one size fits all. InfoSec teams can't rely on black box classification models. They require flexibility to tune these classifiers, as well as define their own unique classifications tailored to their specific business and data security challenges. We expose our AI classification logic to our customers, and we allow them to define new classifiers using natural language prompts, which can be deployed within minutes, not messy regex or complex rule sets. And while AI classification is a recent, game-changing development, leveraged by data security vendors since the rise of LLMs, our true differentiator comes from lineage, enabled by metadata that's unique to Cyberhaven. Because we track where data originates and every subsequent movement and transformation, down to fragments of data, we're uniquely positioned to understand provenance. Who owns the data, where it came from, and why it exists. That allows us to differentiate between a financial document that originated in your data warehouse or BI platform, was edited by the CFO, and contains internal intellectual property meant only for a select audience, versus an employee simply downloading their W-2 from TurboTax. That level of context becomes the foundation for everything that follows.